Hello and welcome to the second grammar lesson in the level 8. Sorry for the screaming and sorry for the other noise, but I hope you can be able to understand from this presentation really soon. Today we are going to talk about gerund and infinitive patterns. This presentation is credited to Claire Wales. She is an ex-faculty of languages from the University of Calabria in Italy, and this presentation is edited and produced by her. So we are going to start keeping it simple. So if we want to make it very simple, we can say that there are three reasons why we use the gerund. So gerunds, or present participles, are verbs plus ing. So we can use the gerund as a subject, as a noun, or after all prepositions and phrasal verbs, or after certain verbs, which is the lesson that we have in the book, after certain verbs. This is what we are going to focus on. So we're going to forget about 1 and 2, and we are going to focus on the 3. Really sorry, we're going to focus on 3. And there are also three reasons why we use the infinitive. And the infinitive is a verb plus, to plus the base form of the verb. So, for example, an infinitive is to play, to dance, to jump. Uh, Infinitives are used as the infinitive purpose. So, I'm going to the school to study medicine, or after adjectives, or after certain verbs. And this is what we are going to focus on, certain verbs. After certain verbs, it is necessary to learn by heart, and this is very important, by heart. You have to memorize all the verbs, which verbs go together with the gerund and which go together with the infinitive. So if you would like to have a list of verbs that go with the gerund or a list of verb that goes with the infinitive, you can always go back to your key notebook at page 186 and you will find the list, and you will find also other useful things about this topic. So there is some logic to help you remember when do we use infinitive and when do we use ing, but again, this logic does not necessarily mean it is always correct. So I would like to give you this thing, and I want you to know that it's not always the same. Sometimes it is different. Sometimes you have to think about it. Sometimes you need to look at the verb. But if you would like to have an easier way, something that would help you recognize the answer, an infinitive is nearly always successive. So we have one action and another action and another action, and they are chronologically ordered. So I can't visit Paris before I wish to go to the Paris. So I would like to visit Paris. I need to see a dentist. So which one did happen first? The necessity, the need, or seeing a dentist? First thing happened is the need to see a doctor. Then we saw the doctor or the dentist. She demanded to see the manager. First, she asked, then after that, she wanted to see the manager. So, for example, I would like to, this is I would like, it's the first thing that happened, then visit. I need, this is the first thing, and to see is number two. She demanded, this is number one, then she wanted to see the manager. However, a gerund does not go in chronological order. So, for example, the man admitted stealing the painting. Which happened first, the action of admitting or the action of stealing? We can for sure know that the stealing happened first. So, stealing stealing is number one, then admitted number two. The students denied cheating, so they cheated in the exam or didn't cheat in the exam, then they denied that when they were accused of cheating in the test. So what is the action in order in these sentences: 2 1 2 sorry 2 1 2 1. So stealing happened first, then admitted. Cheating happened first, then denied. So it's almost the opposite of the gerund. It is the contrary to the use of the infinitive. However, this is very, very, very important. However, this is not foolproof. It does not say that it's always like that. I'm not saying that, but this will help you recognize how to use the ing and how to use the infinitive. So we have another example. I enjoy spending time with my friends. So I'll go back to this example. So I have to close this video right now because I don't have much time to record. And then after that, I'm going to give you another video, a second part, where we can complete the explanation of this grammar.